This right here is where we left off in the last video, and I will show you how to fix it in this video with lighting, as I will cover over lighting effects and Hammer. So this is where we left off in Hammer, and I will show you how to fix all the darkness in the walls that we saw. So go ahead and click on the entity tool, place this somewhere on the map, go back to the selection tool, double click on the terrace you just placed, or the entity, go ahead and click on this, type in light, click enter, enter again, and it will change it to a little bulb. So go ahead and put this somewhere on the map where you like to. I'm gonna put it up here at the top in the middle. And let's go ahead and go in game and see what it looks like. So as you can see, we're in game, and you can see a little light up there, and you can see all the black walls are fixed. Now you can go ahead and add more light to your map or your little box here to make it a little bit more brighter, but that's okay for now. As long as you can see everything, we're good to go. I will go over in a little bit some more of the other light that we have, like light environment, light dynamic, and I will briefly cover the skybox, and we will go back to Hammer right now. So we've gone ahead and fixed our black wall problem with this little light up here. Now you'll notice that the room is still pretty dark. You can go ahead and fix that by putting more lights around the room and whatnot, but right now I'm going to cover the main one that you might be using in your map, which will be the light underscore environment. So to get it, go ahead and place an entity somewhere in your map, double click on the entity you just placed, type here under class light underscore environment, double click enter, exit out of this. Now you will see that this little sun pops up, which basically shows you that this is where the sun will be and what it will point at, or you will change that yourself. So go ahead and put it somewhere in your map. I'm going to put it somewhere up in the corner. Move it to the left. And to change as to where the sun points at, double click here. Click on pitch yaw roll. Click on point at. Now, if you want more space as to see where you're going to point at, you can move still this around and it won't affect it. And you can also press Z to look around your 3D camera to get a more specific one. So go ahead and click on somewhere. Go ahead and click on left mouse button as to somewhere you want to point at. Bam. Now the sun will be pointed at the direction you just put. Now, the sun will depend on the type of skybox you're using as well. So if you want a skybox, go ahead and click on the texture tool. This is the toggle texture tool. Click on it, click browse, click on type in tools /tools skybox, or tools skybox sky. Go ahead and click on that. Click on the right click on the face or the part of the wall that you want to change the texture. Right click and boom, you will have a skybox now. To change the skybox, I will provide a link in the description as to where you can find multiple skyboxes in CSGO. But if you want to see which sky comes in default, go ahead and click on map. Click on map properties, and you should see sky underscore dust. This is the default skybox that mostly Dust 2 and Dust 1 have. And now, if we load in game, we'll see how it looks. We're in game now. As you can see, the map and the sky has now been shown, and you can see that the sun is pointing towards where I pointed at, middle of the map. The sun is over there. This light is coming from over here. And I will cover how to fix that in the next video, and I'll also cover and go into more detail about the skybox and so what it does and how it can benefit your map. I'll also cover briefly over some advanced shapes in the next video. I'll see you guys then. Thanks for watching. Bye. Make sure to share as well.